Chronic loneliness is a condition in which a person feels lonely over a long period of time and repeatedly. Many factors can cause chronic loneliness. Here are 12 possible causes of chronic loneliness. Lack of social skills. Some people may find it difficult to develop their social skills. Inadequate communication, relationship and social interaction skills can lead to chronic loneliness. Introversion. People with introverted personality traits often avoid connecting with others and may experience greater feelings of loneliness. Social isolation. People who lead a physically or geographically isolated lifestyle may lack social interaction and experience chronic feelings of loneliness. Traumas. Chronic loneliness can occur as a result of past traumatic experiences. For example, experiences such as loss, abuse, or separation can undermine one's trust in others and lead to isolation. Relationship problems. Troubled or toxic relationships can negatively affect a person's ability to connect. Having trouble consistently having healthy relationships can result in chronic feelings of loneliness. Depression and anxiety. Chronic loneliness may be associated with depression and anxiety disorders. These mental health issues can reduce social interaction and increase a person's feelings of loneliness. Migration or relocation. Feeling a stranger in a new place or community can complicate the process of rebuilding people's social networks and cause chronic feelings of loneliness. Work or school stress. The busy schedule of work or school can force people not to devote enough time to their social interactions. This can increase the feeling of loneliness. Technology and virtual relationships. Technological tools such as the internet and social media have led to an increase in virtual relationships. However, since virtual relationships do not replace real relationships, more superficial connections can occur between people and a chronic feeling of loneliness can be experienced. Aging. Old age increases the risk of chronic loneliness due to the narrowing of the social environment and the difficulty of accessing social resources. Communication barriers. Communication barriers such as language barriers, hearing or vision problems can make it difficult for people to interact socially and can increase feelings of loneliness. Exclusion and discrimination. Being ostracized or discriminated against in society can negatively affect one's experience of connecting and result in a chronic feeling of loneliness. Because chronic loneliness is a complex issue, each individual's experience can be different. These reasons may not fully explain the loneliness experience, but it can be said that people who experience